So let's say you're playing a video. That way you can do it one-handed, and then you open it up, and it shows it on that.
Welcome to JGTechBlog, everyone. We're here at CES 2020 at the Samsung booth. We're going to talk a little bit through the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. It's the first phone by Samsung that's both 5G and foldable.
Yes, so you can see here, this is an amazing device. We came out with the Galaxy Fold, and customers have just been raving about it. You have your screen here on the exterior, and then whenever you open the device, you actually have a tablet-like experience on the inside. What's really great about this device specifically is that it's going to have 5G connectivity, so we're very excited about that here at Samsung. So with the Galaxy Fold, not only is it a foldable screen that you have available, but you can be running up to 3 different apps all at once, which is really fantastic. You can do a lot of different multitasking with that. The other part of this too is that you get the great benefits of having like wireless power share, so you can set your Galaxy Buds or one of your Galaxy wearables on the back and get that same power. It's running battery at 4380 milliamps, which is really fantastic. So again, great, strong, powerful device, and with 5G, it's going to have amazing connectivity.
So how much will this device be going for, and where will it be released?
In terms of the 5G edition, price is to be determined. We're going to be releasing some more of that information in terms of dates and region location.
I'm wondering what a case would look like for this phone.
They're actually really neat. So they kind of clip onto the outside of each section. So the spine still will be exposed so you can see the color of this, but you will be able to essentially latch it on the exterior of it on both sides. And the ones that usually come in box with it is going to be the Kevlar case.
And then close it?
Yeah. So actually, if you close it and you have YouTube playing there. So let's say you're playing a video. That way you can do it one-handed, and then you open it up, and it shows it on that.
Oh, wow.
It shows on that page. I'm sure people will like that kind of thing. I know I did.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let us know what you think about foldable phones, and make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.